Food is energy for the body. In the 19th century, American chemist Wilbur Atwater measured the available energy in food by calculating the average number of calories in fat, protein, and carbohydrates. We still use his averages today. However, as biologist Rob Dunn makes clear in his feature for Scientific American's special issue on food, there's no such thing as an average food or an average person. How many calories we extract from food depends on the biology of the species we're eating, how we cook and process our food, and even on the different bacterial communities in different people's guts. Standard calorie counts don't take any of these factors into consideration, resulting in numbers that are slightly inaccurate at best and sometimes rather misleading. For example, let's think about the difference between eating fruits and vegetables. Fruits are generally soft and sweet because they evolved to attract hungry animals that inadvertently help plants spread their seeds. In contrast, the stems, leaves, and roots that we call vegetables are often tough and fibrous. Seeds are also rather tough because they have to survive digestion in order for a plant to reproduce. Because we spend considerable energy breaking down hardy vegetables and seeds in our intestines, we generally get fewer net calories from them than from tender fruits. Cooking plants completely changes the equation by making them much easier to digest. Steamed broccoli yields more calories than raw broccoli, for instance. That's also true of cooked meat and fish. It takes more energy to break down a firm piece of sashimi than a flake of baked salmon. Even if two people sit down for exactly the same meal, prepared in exactly the same way, they won't leave with the same number of calories. In addition to all kinds of anatomical and metabolic differences, each of us has a unique community of bacteria living in our guts. Some of these bacteria help us break down tough plant fibers, but they also take some of the calories for themselves. Other bacteria might be a little too helpful, making certain people so efficient at metabolizing food that they absorb more calories than they need and gain weight. As you can see, digestion turns out to be such a messy affair that we'll probably never have precise calorie counts for all the different foods we like to eat and prepare in so many different ways. But at least we can remember to take standard calorie counts with a grain of salt. For Scientific American's Instant Egghead, I'm Ferris Jaber.